This Iron Man 3D model was made by AI completely for free using this image, and even the texture was applied by AI. We also have a 3D model of Bumblebee's face that was made and textured by AI using an image, and this is another 3D model of a spaceship made completely for free using AI. In this video, I will show you two different methods to make 3D models from images. The first method is completely free and you don't even have to log in to use it. But the downside is it is slow and it does not give you texture on your 3D model. The second method has a free plan with limited credits, but you will get outputs faster and the texture will also be applied. So let's get started. The tool we will be using is called Sparc3D and you can access it from the link in the description. This is the interface you will see by using the first link. You can see we are in Hugging Face, which is basically a platform where developers can freely share tools, code, models and datasets, which means you can use it for free. And if you scroll below, you can see that you can cite this project in your research or applications. To generate a 3D model, click here and upload your image and then click on generate. Scroll below and you can see that there are 146 tasks ahead, which basically means others are using this tool right now and our model will be generated once these tasks are completed. Based on my experience, it takes about 2 to 3 minutes for 10 tasks, which means our 3D model will be generated in about 30 to 45 minutes. So by the time our first 3D model is generated, let's try the second option, that is fast. To access this second method, you can either use the second link in the description or you can click here to access the product platform of Sparc3D. You can see the interface is somewhat similar and you will need to create an account to use this tool and you get 100 credits for free. And if you need more credits, you will need to go for the paid plans. Here, we have the option to generate texture for our model, which is basically the material or color of our 3D model. If you enable it, you will need 20 credits and non-textured model uses 10 credits. Click here to add your image and I will select the Bumblebee image. Click generate. You can see our 3D model is being generated and this method takes about 10 to 15 minutes. So let's skip to the part where our 3D models are ready. You can see that our 3D model is ready and it looks super awesome. On the right, we have our mesh information like number of vertices, faces and voxel resolution. You can also download your model in different formats. The default is GLB. You can turn off the texture by clicking here and click here to enable it again. Finally, click download to download your 3D model in the required format. We will also see how to import it in a 3D software later in this video. Now, let's see our 3D model generated using the first method. You can see our 3D model is ready. There are some errors in the hand, but overall it looks good. Here, you cannot choose different formats. Your 3D model will be downloaded in the GLB format. And as I already said, this method does not apply any texture to our 3D model, but you can generate unlimited 3D models using this method. Now, let's import one of our 3D models in Blender and check it. To import, click File, click Import and select the GLB format. Locate your file and double click. You can see this is our 3D model. To see the textured view, click here on Material View and you can see your textured model. Now, I have observed that if you download a textured model, it does not allow me to go to the edit mode. Maybe this will get sorted in the future or there is some error on my side. So for this demonstration, I generated a non-textured Bumblebee model and after hitting tab, you can see the edit mode. Our 3D model is very dense and this is the case with every AI 3D model generator. You can of course apply modifiers or manually correct the geometry. So this was everything about generating 3D models from images for free using AI. You can now explore this tool on your own. If you want to know about another amazing AI tool that can generate 3D models from text prompts, then you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.